Hello guys, today I bring to you something very interesting. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a monetizable Telegram channel. A Telegram channel that you can get subscribers and at the end being paid. But before we delve into this video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. As you can see, I'm only 93 subscribers to reach 1000. So hit on the subscribe button, like this video and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so if you have subscribed, if it look quite alright, this is my Telegram. After creating a Telegram account, right, this will display. So you click here at this pencil icon. You see a pencil icon at the bottom. You click on the pencil icon. Then now this layout will display. Now you see some various options. You have new message, new group, new contact, new channel. You click on new channel. From then now you can input your channel's name. Let me say my channel's name is Divine Calling or Divine Call. Yeah, you just put in the description, any description that you want. Then you click on the photo icon and put in the channel DP, or the channel's profile picture. So after doing all that, you click OK. So now this will come. They will ask if you want to actually create a public channel or a private channel. So it's left to you. For public channel can be found in search. Anyone can join them. That's for public channel. Anyone can join public channel. But for private channel, you can only join if the link is set to you. Now, in order to avoid anyone just coming into your channel, click on private. Here you have a link. You can choose to copy the link or you can choose to share the link. So you click OK. Now you choose any person because you cannot create a group and you have 0 people inside a group. So you choose at least one person that you have in that group. So let me click Adrian and I click OK. So you have seen this is the channel, and as you can see up under the channel's name, I have 1 subscriber. So when you gather more subscribers, then you can be eligible for monetization. Let's say you have 1000 subscribers. From there, Telegram will be able now to start paying you. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video and turn on the notification bell. And if there's any worry you have, if there's any video you want me to create, just drop your suggestion in the comment section and I will do that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.